Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and share button. Today we'll show you how to make simple roti. The kids will love this. You start by taking kneaded flour, roll it into a ball, place it in dry flour, flatten it a little bit. I'll show you the ingredients. Kneaded flour, butter, flour, salt, and black pepper. That's all you need. I use unsalted butter. You can use any type of butter. It just helps in the crispiness of the roti at the very end. Start by placing the ball of kneaded flour and dry flour, and then you roll it. Roll it flat. Don't have to be exact circle. It can be any shape. Just make sure it's a little flat. Once you've got the dough flattened, just add butter and spread it over the surface, like you see me here. Then just add some salt to taste and some black pepper to taste. I usually add just a pinch per roti. Then you're going to fold it from top down and then down up and then sides inwards. You're going to make a square or a rectangle shape. You're going to place it in dry flour again, and then you're going to roll it again. I'll just speed up these next few steps for you. Roll it until it's flat. Take it and place it on a hot griddle or a hot flat surface, and let it sit there for about 15 to 20 seconds on one side. After the 15 to 20 seconds, you want to flip it over, add some oil to the top, just spread it across the surface, flip it back over, and add some more oil to the other side. And then flip it back over again. The reason why I'm pressing down is because you want that crispy look. You want it cooked all around. Therefore, you press it down and make sure it's cooked properly. Now you see it's turning nice yellow brownish color. It's almost ready to be served. You don't want to burn it. Be careful, do not burn it. Once it's ready, just plate it and put some butter on it. My kids love this. I'm sure your kids will. If you like the recipe, please hit that like, subscribe, and share button. Many more to come.